Well, it was just over an hour ago that the judge ruled a mistrial in this case. The jury unable to reach a verdict and apparently unaware that the defendant is fighting for his life after having come out into the parking lot in front of his car this afternoon trying to shoot himself. A jury began deliberating the fate of 75-year-old John Goodwin of Atkinson Friday morning, the piano teacher accused of sexually assaulting a former student who was now an adult. Witnesses say Goodwin was walking in and out of the courthouse all morning when, just after 11, someone came running in saying a man had just shot himself in the parking lot. That's when court personnel went rushing out.
I was one of the individuals that responded to the aid. We have deputies on site at the courthouse as well as bailiffs. We worked in partnership with the bailiffs that we manage as well as the deputies that were here on scene.
Other officials confirmed that it was indeed Goodwin and that he had shot himself just feet in front of his parked car.
We provided the medical aid that we could on scene, and we had an ambulance that responded from the Brentwood Fire Department here to transport the individual to the hospital.
A witness was interviewed and an investigation is ongoing. Meantime, people working in the courthouse describe an unnerving situation.
I think there were a lot of questions. Everybody, I think, just felt a little on edge, kind of felt bad.
Officials say the jury was not made aware of the incident. In fact, they continued to deliberate until informing the judge at about 4:30 that they could not reach a verdict, and so a mistrial was declared. A retrial date hasn't been set yet, and we are awaiting an update on Goodwin's status. We do know that he was airlifted to a Boston hospital. We'll have the latest when we hear it. Reporting now live in Brentwood, Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.